Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart and envelope box. So you're going to need a square sheet of paper for this if you don't have one. I'm going to show you now how to get one real quick. You're going to take a piece of paper, you're going to fold it diagonally like this. If you're a child, please get an adult to help you with this. Scissors are very dangerous and you can hurt yourself very badly. That being said, you're going to need to make sure when you fold it, from corner to edge, all the way up, it's as even as possible. That way you get a nice even square piece of paper. And then you're going to want to cut off the extra nice and carefully. And that will leave you with a square piece of paper to use. Okay. Now, for this, it's going to be all right. You're going to want to fold it corner ways. So, corner to corner. Nice and even. Then you're going to want to fold it in half. Then you're going to want to fold it in half the other way as well. Okay. You're going to want to open that. Now you've got all those. Turn it until it's diamond shaped, and you're going to fold these to the center and fold these to the center. Okay? So okay. Now you're going to want to unfold all that. You're going to take these corners and you're going to fold them into those points that you made. Just the two outside corners for now. And now we're going to fold this just like that. And then you're going to fold it in to that line. Do the same on both sides. You can take, and in the center, I'm just gonna kind of something like that, I guess. So you don't want to like fold it. You want to fold it up to that line there. So using that line, you want to fold it diagonally. And then same with the other side. So you want to take it and fold it kind of out to that line. And then crease it. Right? Just like that. Okay. So we have it just like that. So now, fold it back for now. Flip it around. And do the same thing with that line. The same thing on the other side. So that one there. And then that one there. You see? Just like that. So you want to hold it open. And you're going to want to fold this forward to that point. And you want to flatten it. And when you flatten it, you're going to take these two outer edges and you're going to fold it to that center. You should have some creases there to help guide you from earlier. Just fold them into the center, nice and even. Follow the lines here, here, you know, try to get it nice and even. Then you got your folds. Now you're going to take just this layer, you're going to fold that one up. Just like that. Then right in half, just the one layer, you're going to fold it up in half. Now, turn it around and do the same stuff. So like this, and fold it nice and evenly down. Flatten it. Then you're going to fold these sides in. And fold this up. So it should look like that now. Then you're going to take how does that work? Let's see. Okay. Ooh, way too far. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so we're here. Yep. We have the bottom flap here that we just folded, the very last one we folded. Turn it sideways. Okay. Grab the first layer. Yeah. Just grab the first layer and fold it over. Just the first layer. Fold it over. Just like that. And then I'm going to grab those two sides and pull out. See? Now we're going to form the heart. Okay. So yeah, we got our box. Close the box. And take one side, fold it over. And we're going to fold this side right up to the center. Then you're going to fold. You just got the one section still. Right? You're going to want to fold this top just part way down. Now fold this half over. Here, fold this one only a little bit. Yeah. If you fold this over to the center too far, it's not going to look as good. You can experiment with it to change the shape of your heart. Okay, so we got like that so far. Let's look at that again. Oh, you know what? I didn't do that right. Let's back up. Back to where the box opens. Flip it over once. Turn it corner ways. I'm going to flip this one up to the center. Yeah, we're going to take this one. I did it right. Oh, geez. Fold it like that. We had it right the first time. I'm sorry, guys. Now we're going to flip this side over. We're going to do this up to the side. And this down just a little bit. I'm going to flip this back over. Now see, I got a heart like this, but and take this, you fold it backwards, and then you're going to want to open it up and reverse fold. So let me show you that again on the other side, up close. So you're going to take just this layer, going to fold it, try to make it even with the other one you just did. crease it backwards. Then you're going to take it, put it back, fold this side out a bit, and then you're going to reverse fold. There we go. Okay, so you reverse fold it, just like that. And then, there you are. You have your heart box. So you can take a little now, sorry about that, guys. You can put a message inside the box, and you can open it and say, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.